Ever wonder what separates billionaires like Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, and Warren Buffett from the rest of us? The answer isn't just luck or timing. It's the way they think about money. In this video, we'll uncover the secrets these financial giants use to build unstoppable wealth through strategies like dividend investing, real estate, and mastering the time value of money. Stick around, because the same principles that made them rich can transform your financial future too. And the best part? You can start right now. Let's talk about the wisdom shared by financial giants like Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, Warren Buffett, Ray Dalio, Charlie Munger, and Tony Robbins. Their practical insights cover various aspects of financial management, including dividend investing, real estate investing, and personal finance strategies. Whether you are just beginning your financial journey or looking for ways to fine-tune your financial plans, this guide will provide the tools to help you succeed. Through their advice, you will learn the importance of financial literacy mastery, self-improvement, and managing cash flow. Concepts such as the time value of money, how to make money online, and stock market investment will be explained in detail. By the end of this guide, you'll understand how to build passive income streams, retire early, and master your personal finances. The journey to financial freedom begins with understanding the basics of personal finance. Financial literacy is the ability to understand and effectively use financial principles such as budgeting, saving, investing, and planning for the future. Many wealthy individuals stress that building wealth is not just about earning more money. It's about mastering how to manage, grow, and protect that wealth. The importance of financial literacy for kids cannot be overstated, as early education in money management lays the groundwork for lifelong financial success. It helps them develop habits such as saving while young, budgeting, and making smart investment decisions. A good starting point is to understand the concept of the time value of money. This principle states that $1 today is worth more than $1 tomorrow because of its potential earning capacity. By leveraging the time value of money, individuals can benefit from compound interest, a powerful tool for growing wealth over time. Elon Musk is known for his bold approach to entrepreneurship and wealth creation. As the founder of Tesla and SpaceX, Musk has demonstrated the value of taking calculated risks. He believes that innovation is the key to financial success and encourages others to think beyond traditional career paths. Musk emphasizes the importance of mastering how to invest in high-growth sectors such as technology. He also highlights the role of real estate investing in building long-term wealth. Musk's philosophy aligns with the FIRE movement, which promotes financial independence and early retirement. Jeff Bezos built Amazon into a trillion-dollar company through innovation and reinvestment. His strategy for wealth creation involves focusing on long-term goals, reinvesting profits, and continuously improving business operations. Bezos teaches that financial success comes from constant self-improvement and strategic financial planning. Bezos's approach aligns with the principles of financial literacy mastery and personal finance for beginners. He encourages entrepreneurs to explore ways to make money online, such as e-commerce and affiliate marketing. Creating multiple income streams helps build financial resilience and reduces reliance on a single source of income. Bezos also advocates for early retirement planning. Setting financial goals early and following a clear investment plan allows individuals to achieve financial freedom and retire comfortably. Warren Buffett is widely regarded as one of the most successful investors of all time. His wealth-building strategy centers on long-term investing and the power of compound interest. Buffett emphasizes the importance of patience in the stock market, highlighting that wealth transfers from the impatient to the patient. Buffett recommends investing in index funds, which provide broad market exposure and reduce the risks associated with individual stocks. For beginners, investing in the stock market through index funds is an excellent way to get started. It simplifies the investment process and ensures diversification. Buffett's advice on budgeting is simple but effective. Live below your means and reinvest the savings. This habit aligns with the FIRE movement, which promotes financial independence through aggressive savings and early retirement. By adopting these practices, individuals can retire early and enjoy financial freedom. Ray Dalio, the founder of Bridgewater Associates, is a financial giant known for his expertise in economics and investment strategies. Dalio has accumulated substantial wealth by mastering how to invest in diverse asset classes, emphasizing the importance of financial education and adopting a long-term approach to personal finance. Dalio's most important advice centers around diversification, the practice of spreading investments across different asset types to reduce risk. This strategy ensures that no single event can significantly harm an investment portfolio. Dalio emphasizes that financial literacy mastery is essential for understanding complex investment vehicles and for making informed financial decisions. According to Dalio, a balanced portfolio should include stocks, bonds, real estate, and index funds. He also stresses the importance of cash flow management to ensure that income exceeds expenses, allowing individuals to reinvest and grow their wealth. Here are some of the Ray Dalio's top tips for wealth creation. 1. Invest in index funds and stocks with solid long-term growth potential. 2. Use financial planning tools to diversify and mitigate risks. 3. Master money management to ensure consistent savings and investments. 4. Focus on self-improvement by increasing your knowledge of the financial markets. Dalio is a strong advocate for the time value of money. He believes that starting investing for beginners early provides the best opportunity to capitalize on compound interest. His approach to wealth building aligns with the FIRE movement, which encourages early retirement through diligent financial management and strategic planning. Charlie Munger, the longtime business partner of Warren Buffett, offers invaluable lessons on wealth creation. Munger believes that mastering financial literacy is about developing a deep understanding of the world's financial and economic systems. He emphasizes the importance of mental models, frameworks that help investors make better decisions by understanding patterns in finance, economics, and human behavior. Munger's philosophy aligns with the concept of personal finance for beginners, which involves learning the basics of how to invest and manage cash flow. Like Buffett, Munger advises focusing on dividend investing and selecting companies with durable business models for long-term investments. His approach also emphasizes the importance of budgeting to live below your means and avoid unnecessary debt. Here are Munger's wealth creation principles. 1. How to budget effectively to reduce wasteful spending and increase savings. 2. Avoid chasing quick returns and focus on long-term investment opportunities. 3. Embrace the power of compound interest by reinvesting dividends. 4. Utilize real estate investing as a strategy to build passive income streams. Munger is also a strong advocate for financial literacy for kids, believing that teaching children early will give them a significant advantage in life. His advice reflects the principles of early retirement planning and the FIRE movement, encouraging individuals to take control of their finances early to enjoy financial independence and financial freedom. Tony Robbins, a world-renowned motivational speaker and author of the book Money Master the Game, offers unique insights into wealth creation by focusing on financial psychology. Robbins teaches that mastering the right money mindset is crucial for achieving financial success. His work emphasizes that financial freedom is not only about building wealth, but also about maintaining the emotional discipline required to manage it effectively. Robbins is a strong advocate for dividend investing, real estate investing, and stocks as vehicles for wealth creation. He encourages people to explore ways to make money online, such as e-commerce, affiliate marketing, and digital products, to diversify their income streams. Robbins also emphasizes the need for financial literacy mastery and self-improvement. He advises individuals to take control of their financial destiny by learning how to budget, invest, and manage cash flow effectively. His approach aligns with the FIRE movement, which promotes early retirement through strategic financial planning and passive income generation. Here are Tony Robbins' key wealth building strategies. 1. Build passive income streams through investments and entrepreneurship. 2. Focus on financial planning for both short-term goals and long-term wealth accumulation. 3. Invest in index funds and real estate to generate cash flow and hedge against inflation. 4. Use the principles of financial education to teach children and young adults the value of money. Robbins also advocates for how to invest in index funds and other low-cost financial instruments that generate reliable returns over time. His philosophy reflects the importance of retirement planning and early retirement, encouraging people to take action today to secure their financial future. The combined insights of Warren Buffett, Jeff Bezos, Elon Musk, Ray Dalio, Charlie Munger, and Tony Robbins reveal one undeniable truth. Financial literacy is the cornerstone of wealth creation. Understanding how the financial system works, mastering personal finance for beginners, and developing smart habits early in life are essential steps toward financial freedom. These financial giants agree on several key principles. Budgeting is fundamental to tracking expenses, saving money, and avoiding debt. Dividend investing and real estate investing are reliable ways to generate passive income. Understanding the time value of money allows you to benefit from compound interest. Self-improvement and financial education provide the knowledge needed to make informed financial decisions. Teaching financial literacy for kids prepares them to navigate the complexities of the modern financial world. By fostering good financial habits early, they are better equipped to build wealth, manage risk, and achieve financial independence. The time value of money is a fundamental concept in finance that plays a significant role in wealth creation. It explains why it is essential to start saving and investing early. Compound interest, often referred to as the eighth wonder of the world, allows your money to grow exponentially over time. To harness the power of compound interest, it is important to invest regularly and avoid withdrawing funds prematurely. Whether you choose to invest in index funds, dividend stocks, or real estate, consistency is key. Creating passive income streams is one of the most effective ways to achieve financial independence. Passive income is money earned with minimal effort, such as rental income, dividends, or royalties. It provides financial security and allows individuals to focus on other pursuits. Some ways to build passive income include dividend investing, purchasing stocks that pay regular dividends; real estate investing, acquiring properties that generate rental income; making money online, creating digital products or affiliate marketing businesses. Real estate investing is a powerful tool for creating wealth. It provides cash flow, acts as a hedge against inflation, and offers tax advantages. Many of the world's wealthiest individuals have built their fortunes through real estate. To succeed in real estate, it is important to focus on cash flow by acquiring rental properties. Use leverage to maximize returns. Diversify your portfolio with both residential and commercial properties. Real estate also plays a vital role in the FIRE movement by providing passive income streams that support early retirement. Investing in the stock market is an excellent way to grow wealth. For beginners, investing in index funds provides a simple and effective way to gain exposure to the market. Dividend investing is another popular strategy that offers regular payouts and potential capital appreciation. Successful investors follow a disciplined approach, avoiding emotional decisions and sticking to their long-term plans. Understanding the basics of economics and finance is essential for making informed investment choices. Budgeting is a critical component of financial management. It helps individuals track their expenses, identify savings opportunities, and avoid unnecessary debt. Financial planning involves setting clear goals and creating a roadmap to achieve them. Effective budgeting practices include creating a budget that aligns with your income and financial goals, monitoring your spending and adjusting as needed, setting up automatic contributions to savings and investment accounts. The journey to financial freedom requires a combination of financial literacy, strategic planning, and disciplined execution. The wealth creation secrets shared by Warren Buffett, Jeff Bezos, Elon Musk, and others provide a blueprint for success. The wealth creation secrets shared by these financial giants provide a roadmap for achieving financial freedom and early retirement. Whether you are starting with investing for beginners or refining your investment strategy with real estate and stocks, the principles outlined in this guide will help you succeed. Take action today by building passive income streams, mastering how to budget, and embracing the principles of financial planning. Use the time value of money to your advantage and make deliberate choices to grow your wealth steadily. Remember that the journey to financial independence is not just about making money. It's about learning how to invest, manage cash flow, and maintain the right money mindset. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel for more content on personal finance and wealth creation. Share this video with friends and family, and let's grow together toward financial freedom.